How to split 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz on your Telstra Smart Modem. So you're gonna have to open the modem settings or basically log into your modem or router. So to do this, you're gonna get the details for your modem. You should be able to find it in the back of your Telstra modem. So it's gonna look something like this. You will get the IP address, which you will be using to enter on your search bar in your browser, your username admin, and the password if it does show. You're going to use those default details to log into your account. So in your preferred browser, type in http://192.168.0.1, or you can just do http://my modem. But you choose whichever option you want. And also, when you're doing this, make sure your device you're doing this in is connected to the modem with these credentials. If you don't, it won't bring you here, but once that is set up, you can go ahead and open the Wi-Fi settings. Go ahead into the Wi-Fi section and go to Advanced Wi-Fi section first so that you can disable your band steering. So find something like this, the band steering. So switch it off, make sure it's toggled off, since Telstra does require band steering to be disabled before separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network names can be configured. On a Smart Modem 4 or something similar, Wi-Fi 7 may also need to be disabled first because band steering cannot be turned off while Wi-Fi 7 is enabled. So make sure both of them are toggled off in those cases. The next thing you're going to have to do is to reset or basically just rename each Wi-Fi band. So make sure they are different. You can try something like Home Wi-Fi 2.4 for your 2.4 gigahertz and for your 5 gigahertz, something like this. But that pretty much depends on you as long as they are not the same. You also have the option to change the password for both. Then once that is done, you can go ahead and save and reconnect. So select apply or save, then wait for the Wi-Fi networks to restart. You can pretty much then just go to your device's Wi-Fi settings or Wi-Fi networks, and you can connect manually to either the 2.4 gigahertz or the 5 gigahertz network. So the difference with 2.4 is that it generally offers a better range, while the 5 gigahertz option will have faster speeds but at a shorter distance. But that's pretty much one way you can split your Telstra Smart Modem from 2.4 and your 5 gigahertz. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.